Hi, I'm Alicia. I am the co-founder of Bubka. Today, I'm going to take you through unboxing your Bubka Glow and showing you everything you need to do so that you can get ready to pump. Let's start with unboxing your Bubka Glow. Let's start off with this gorgeous, hard protective carry case. Don't you love the color? Your Bubka Glow includes everything you need to start pumping on the go. Of course, you have your 2 Bubka Glow wearable breast pumps, 2 protective dust covers, 2 USB-C charging cables, 2 elasticized bra strap extenders, 2 spare soft silicone duckbill valves for your pumps. Don't lose these, they're super important. And 1 soft silicone mini cleaning brush. And don't forget your extra motor. Not to mention your Bubka Glow comes with a full range of flange sizing. Our Bubka Glow comes with a range from size 13 through to 21 and the size 24 that comes on the pump. So once you use your measuring card to measure your flange size, you can grab the one you need, pop right in and get started.